Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Today I'm going to show you how to do something in Silhouette Studio that Auntie Tay showed how to do in Illustrator. Both of these programs work. I happened to watch her video this morning and it was fabulous. Shows you how, if you have the program Illustrator, that you can get anything, any image, any logo off the internet and change it into an SVG. Well, let's assume we already have the software Silhouette. It's a one-time purchase for you. I'll have the link down below. I believe it's about $60 and then you own the program forever and ever. No rental or anything like that. But anyway, here's all you have to do for this. If you have the Cameo, by the way, you can use the free version to do this. But if you're going to use it for your Cricut, you'll need to have the business edition. Again, a one-time fee, not a monthly rental, about $60, and the link's down below. Here's what you do. You just come over here, select the trace area that looks like a piece of toast and go like this and select the trace area. Okay, everything that's yellow has been traced, so notice this whole thing hasn't been traced. So I'm going to up the threshold a little bit by coming over here and up it like this until it gets traced and perfect, just like that. And if I want to, I can scroll in and make sure it looks good. And I'm very satisfied with that, so I'll just say trace. So now all I have to do is move this box out of the way and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to grab this whole image, come up here to Object, release the compound path. When I do that, it's going to put boxes around every little piece here so I can color them. Just like that. So I can color this diamond, bring it over, come over here, get the eyedropper, and I can get this exact color. I can get this shape, come up here, eyedropper, this color, this shape. Click on it to highlight it. Up here, eyedropper, this color. Let's see, I guess now I'll click off and I'll get the word Steelers. And I'm going to change that to black. And while it's all selected, I'm going to say right click and group. Or I could hit Control on my keyboard and the G for group. I'm also going to change this outer circle to black, like that. And the inner circle right here, let's click off and click back on. The inner circle, let me move the outer one out of our way. Now do the inner circle and change it to white. Put this back. And that's how easy it is to make an SVG out of a logo for the Steelers. So you could, if you wanted to, grab all this stuff and change the line color here to transparent. And now all you need to do is grab everything and group it. And to use it in Silhouette, just go to Send. And we would cut it by fill colors. So I would uncheck everything. First, I just click on the black, and that would cut out everything that's black. But this would be cut out. So what I'd really want to do is to ungroup this and move this over in this so that it would cut the black circle and also the word Steelers out of black. Then maybe after I was done with that, I would do the gold, and I could move it up in this upper corner so it would be cut right there. And just go through these one at a time. Uncheck the white, that's this circle right here. Uncheck that, do the blue, uncheck that. Now to use this thing, let's go hit Control Z on our keyboard to go back to where we were. Okay, for Cricut I'm going to ungroup this and I'm going to move these pieces out of the way, and I'm just going to grab the word Steelers. I'm going to right click on that and say Make Compound Path. And then I can change it back to black again. That's going to keep it, and my machine, my Cameo, Cricut, whatever, is going to think it's one image. So now all I'm going to do is group this. Group. And then with that selected, I'm going to go to File, Save Selection, Save to Hard Drive. And since you've purchased this for your Cricut machine, you can save this as an SVG. Again, it's a one-time purchase. It's not something you have to rent every month or pay for a big payment for a year. It's just about $60 total, and you own it forever. So I'm just going to name this as Steelers SVG and say OK. And there it is. So now I'm going to come over to Cricut and start a new project. Go to upload, upload an image, browse. My downloads should be near the very top. There it is. It's the Steelers. It's an SVG. Open. Perfect. Look at that. Save. Click on this. Insert. And here is my SVG already opened up. Okay, right now it's all grouped together. I can ungroup it. And as you can see, well, let me change the color of the background a little bit so you can see. Okay, so as you can see, I have a white piece of vinyl. I have a black piece of vinyl. And then I have this text that would be printed out or cut out. And these shapes here. And that's it. That is how easy it is to create a logo in Silhouette for Cricut Design Space. Okay, and if I go to make it, you'll see how nicely this will turn out. Make it. So on the first mat, we have the white circle. The second mat, we have the word Steelers and the black circle. And there's the little shape with the gold, the blue, and the red. Perfect, just like that. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use the Silhouette software to make an SVG if you do not have Illustrator. So again, either program works well. I think Silhouette software might be a little bit cheaper. I'm not sure. You'll have to check that out yourself, because I'm pretty sure there's a monthly fee for Illustrator. You can either buy it for a whole year at a certain price, or you can pay, it might be $29.99 or something like that a month to kind of rent it. But you never do outwardly own the program. Whereas with this program, Silhouette Business Edition or Silhouette, whichever level you buy, you'll need the business for your Cricut machine. But once you buy it, you own it. There's no other fees that you need to pay. So I hope you like this tutorial. Go check out Annie Tay and see how she uses Illustrator to do something very similar to this. And if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 30,000 subscribers. So if you can help me with that, I really appreciate it. So thanks again for joining me. See you guys again soon. Bye-bye.